Grok 3 versus Claude 3.7 Perplexity. My final verdict. In this video, I'm going to share with you my final verdict for these apps. So to get started, Claude 3.7 is extremely smart with reasoning and long context. It gives calm, thoughtful answers and handles documents very well. It also integrates with Perplexity's search for real-time data. Grok 3 feels more casual and fast paced. It's designed for Twitter or X and offers witty, short responses. It's not built for deep research or long conversations. If you're just looking for quick answers or summaries inside X, Grok works. But for serious writing, deep thinking, or document analysis, Claude 3.7 is miles ahead. Perplexity, on the other hand, is also a very light AI generator, and if it is comparable to anything, I would say it is more comparable to Grok because it is not applicable to heavy duty work or research. Grok is one to use for quick replies and content style responses as well as this perplexity, but Claude's intelligence is more suited for professional use. I found Claude better at understanding nuance and handling multiple tasks. If you need depth and clarity, Claude is definitely the winner.